In this video, I'm going to give you a quick tip so you can easily pin content from around the internet in just one click. So before I show you how to do this, I just want to remind you what the normal process is. So you can pin content to your boards from Pinterest itself in the search engine here, or you can also go and pin stuff from around the web. And if you want to do that, you click this option from around the web. You have to say get the URL of the article you want to pin or image you want to pin, paste that in, and then you select the image here that you want to pin and appear as, and then you add it to the board. So you can see it's a little bit of a manual process. You have to copy and paste that URL in the first place. So to speed up the process, a great tool to use that's absolutely free is this Pinterest browser button from Chrome. Now, this does only work on the Google Chrome browser. So if you don't have Google Chrome, you can just download that for free. Just type in download Google Chrome to any browser. And then you just want to click get browser button. And you can just type this into Google as well. And I will put this link in the description of the video so you can click right through. Then you just want to click add extension. And now I'll show you really how this speeds up the process. So say you're browsing online, you're catching up with some news from your industry, and now you can really have this browser extension button here. And so if you're reading an article like this, just as you do for your own personal, keep yourself updated, then you might think, hang on, that'd be great if I just added that into my Pinterest account, and so my followers can benefit from it as well. So what you do is then click the icon, and I might need to reload the page here. And then we can select the image. So we don't need to type in that URL manually. And then we can just select the board that we want to add it to. And then we can go ahead and see it now. So you can see it's a lot less friction to add stuff to your Pinterest account. And I think the key thing as well, the key benefit is that just as you're reading articles or news and you want to add them to a board, it's very easier to do rather than remembering to go into your Pinterest account, open it up, click that button, add to pin, paste the URL in. So it just makes it a lot easier to add content quickly to your Pinterest account. Now here's another tip that really takes this tool to the next level, and that is to get your teammates or even freelancers to install this tool as well for you. And what you can do then is when you've created a board, you can add them as a collaborator. Just type in their email there and send them the invite. Tell them to download this extension as well. And then they can just start pinning content as well automatically to that account. So not only does it make it easier for you to add content, but if you just tell your teammates or even instruct a freelancer to do this for you, they can very quickly add a lot of content to your Pinterest account, and that will help you really grow your following much, much faster. So that is how you pin content to Pinterest in just one click. You can go ahead and get the browser extension in Chrome. I'll also put the link in the description.